Please, we are back again. Let's discuss. If you are a guy, please go. This video is not for you. This is for ladies, and I feel this is just a normal random talk that we can discuss between ourselves. So now, let's talk. A lot of harmful things that we do to ourselves, and people used to hear that there are lots of people that have cancer now. There are lots of people having hormonal imbalance. There are lots of people having different medical conditions, which is why we should be very, very careful with what we put in our body or what we do to our body. Now, we're talking about the female private parts today. That's what we're talking about. The thing is, number one, you see people that do not take their bath at night. That's ladies. People that do not take their bath at night, like they normally do not take their bath at night, and whenever they want to go to bed, the best nightwear that they like to wear is jean, maybe bomb shorts to sleep. You can't tell me otherwise. You have that down there is going to be smelling. Down there is going to be smelling. If it's not smelling, you have to deal with infections more frequently. If that's the way you do, you don't bath at night, you sleep in things like jean, denim bomb shorts, those thick bomb shorts. That's what you wear to bed. You can't tell me is either you're always treating infection or down there is stinking. That's the truth. Like, there's no two ways to it. You cannot, if you are watching this video, you're saying it that I don't used to smell. Maybe you cannot perceive it. You know how people used to have mouth odor and they have mouth odor. It is others that will be able to tell them that if your mouth is smelling, you know how it is. That's how yours too is. Because you cannot go to bed without wearing something breathable, and you sleep already. Everything everywhere will now be it will now be cold, it will now be wet, and you wake up in the morning. Some of you still not bath in the morning. You do everything you want to do. All this is what that's the bomb shot. Funny enough, some people will not even wear pants inside. Their yash is touching the bomb shot. That's number one. If the smelling that is coming down there is not from wearing jean bomb shot, denim bomb shot to sleep, it's not from you not leaving that place to breathe, it's not from you not cleaning, not cleaning that place frequently the way you're supposed to clean it. If you are doing all the right thing and that down there smells, it means you have an infection. You should go to an hospital. Now, that's where we enter point number two. You should go to an hospital. A lot of ladies now, you see people that are selling agbo, they are making a lot of money now because ladies have refused to go to the hospital. Maybe what is doing you is only Ciprotab that you need. You don't need, maybe it's only antibiotics that you need to clean whatever is wrong with you. A lot of ladies will not go to the hospital now. They'll go and meet those people that are selling aphrodisiac. They'll go and meet those people that are selling agbo and tell them that my clinic is itching me. Go to the hospital. It is when you go and meet somebody that is selling another thing, they will always have a solution for your problem. But maybe it is not that hard. I'm not saying that some of these things do not work. What I'm saying is maybe your problem is not that hard. They will give you something that you should use. That thing is maybe it's itching. That part is itching you. They'll give you something to use. Maybe they'll give you alum to go and use to wash your yash. But by the time you use alum to wash it, or maybe they added alum to the product they gave you, you will not know. The shall gave you, they'll call it one name, one package. They'll just give it to you. By the time you use the alum to wash down there, the itching will go, and you are going to disrupt your pH balance, and you start to have banana dryness. The place is not going to be extremely dry. You have another problem. You have got to wake another problem. But the first one that made you go to the herbalist, you have solved it. You have started having another problem again. You will go back. You go and tell them that this is what's doing you. They will give you another thing. That another thing that they give you is going to cause another infection for you. The itching will go, another infection will come. You should go to the hospital. Go and meet doctor. Don't just assume that this thing that is doing let me contact somebody that is doing agbo so that they can help me out. If you have an infection, you go to the hospital. They'll give you drugs to use. Maybe they'll give you antibiotics to use. They can give you stuffs like this. Stuff like this. You see stuff like this most of the time. You should always have something like this. All these creams, you should always have it in your closet. Maybe whenever you have hormonal imbalance or something, but you have just a very, very simple itching or something, apply it. Use it for 2 to 3 days. I'm not giving you prescription. I'm just telling you, go to the hospital, let them give you prescription, and then you can get the prescription. Maybe you will not finish the itching or whatever thing is wrong with you might have stopped before the cream finish. You keep the rest. If it pops up again, you use the same thing that they gave you. Before you use it again, check expiry dates. Check expiry dates before you use it again. Don't go and put something that has expired in your this thing. And all this type of cream set is not something that you chook inside. It's just for the outer part of the stuff. That's where you put it. And doctors, they know more about these things. They will listen to you. They will write down everything that you say is doing you. If you go to local people too, some people they have advanced. They have advanced that they even have system that they will type whatever thing you say is doing you. I'm not saying that some of these people, they are not good, but hospital, they know how to treat you more. Those people too, they can give you treatment that will work for you, but if it is not severe, where you have gone to hospital, they did not see solution to your problem, that's when you can say you want to go and use herbs, you want to go and use local this thing. Because all these things, they'll give you something to drink. That thing might work, you might think it work. I mean, it might affect your intestine, it might affect your kidney, it might affect a hair. We don't know where this cancerous thing is coming from. So we need to be extra careful. If you have any problem down there that is not hygiene that is causing it, like I said, maybe if you know that you don't used to wear bum short to bed, you used to wash that place, you don't used to use one pants. If you're here talking about pants, if you're going to be wearing a pants, this pants that I'm showing you is a new pants, so don't think that I'm showing you my pants that I've worn. This pants, look at it, it is cotton. Can you see? It is cotton. These are pants that you wear, and by the time you go to toilet to pee and you water poured on it, it is going to dry. It is not like it's going to start to irritate your vagina. Water, it is going to dry. It's not like water is going to stay there and whatever thing. Maybe you have vaginal discharge. That's why they say you should use pant liner. But at the same time, somebody said that a pant liner is not for every time. You might get irritated. Now, if you are going to be wearing a cotton pant, if you have vaginal discharge, it is going to sink. It's not just going to sit on the pants and then vaginal discharge that is coming out, it will now sit on the pants and then you will now pick it up again. It will now go back inside and go and cause another thing. That's why you need to get a cotton pant. Buy cotton pants, buy cotton so that you will be on the safer side. Now, don't buy all those pants that looks like nylon. I showed you something like that before. Buy cotton pants. It will save you a lot of stress. That's that about that. Apart from that, that's number 2. Apart from that, moving on, let's go to shaving. For shaving, we have different options, and the reason why we have different options is because people used to have reactions like burns. Some people have itches, some people have infections when they shave, so they look for easy way that will not react to their skin, so that it will calm the skin and they will not be able to have infections and bumps and all that and irritations. So now there are 3 options that I have here. This is the first option. This is the wax. This is the first option. You see this one? For me, it is a no. This thing can kill somebody if you don't have mind. This is wax. This one, you pour it in your heater or maybe a pot that you know that you want to be using for it. You put it, there's a stick inside that you use. This is the stick. When you pour it and it's hot, you wait for it to cool off. It will melt. I don't know, I'm not the one that's going to teach you. This is sharp wax. Look at the stick. That's what it will look like when it melts. So some people use this. I don't react to it, but I cannot use it again. And I'm not giving it out because I've not decided. I can still use it for my armpits. That armpit part is not that painful. Some people use this wax for shaving. Some people use shaving stick. And now let me tell you something about shaving sticks. If you are a lady and you know that the only thing that is safe for you to use is a shaving stick, please buy a shaving stick that has 2 or 3 blades. That this blade here, I don't want to open this one because I'm not ready to use it. This blade here has 2 or 3 blades. That one, it will calm your skin. It will cut the way it's supposed to cut. It will cut like a clipper. It will calm your skin and cut very well. You will not really have irritation when you use blades that have 2 or 3 blades, like shaving sticks that have 2 or 3 blades on it. As you can see, you can use something that has 2 or 3 blades. Don't buy those ones with single blade or 2 blade. Single blade. Don't buy those ones with single blade. It will give you irritation quick. And then we have another option here. Another option that we have here is a clipper. This is a clipper. We know that it is men that uses clipper, but clipper works for me. It does not give me bumps when I use clipper. This is a clipper. It works for shaving. You can use this for shaving. That's another option. And some people do what do they call it? I've forgotten the name. Laser. Some people do laser hair remover. That one too works for some people, but that one is expensive. If you can afford it, you can do it. But now, the last option on the list. Do you know the last option on the list that a lot of people run to? Even me, I used to be among the people that run to it because it is easy and comfortable. It is this one. This is shaving cream. You see this shaving cream? 70% of us ladies, we don't read the information on top of this shaving cream. Apart from this one, there are other ones that I have to. We don't read the information on it. There's nowhere on this shaving cream that they wrote that you can use this to shave your vagina. They did not write it there. It's either you are using it to shave your mustache, you are using it to shave your leg, you are using it to shave your armpits, you are using it to shave. Yes, those are the parts. And here it is written body and legs. You cannot use this to shave your yash. You cannot use this to shave your yash. This can give you an infection if you use this to shave it. If you are doing it, please stop, because I used to do it too and I've stopped. So that's one thing I want to tell you about that. And after shaving, no matter the method that I use to shave, no matter the method, even with the fact that I said I use clipper and sometimes I use this to shave sometimes. After shaving, I apply Vaseline and it has been working for me. Sometimes it's not like sometimes I don't get bumps, but maybe 1 or 2, and to dry up and go when I apply Vaseline after shaving. Don't go and choke. I don't say that. Look at it. I don't say that you should go and choke Vaseline in your yash. You not Vaseline body. It's just that part that you shaved. Apply Vaseline immediately after shaving. Take Vaseline, apply it, use it to massage it. It will calm that place, and you might not even have any bumps or any irritation. Make sure you have this before shaving. Make sure you have this before shaving. Sometimes I don't know if it's safe or it's not safe, but since I'm not putting it inside, sometimes I apply salicylic acid. Sometimes at night when I'm about to go to bed, I'll apply salicylic acid on that outer part. and then wash it off so that anything coming out can dry before it even comes out. That's how I go about that. Now, boss do not know that when we're washing our pants, we might be giving ourselves an infection when we're washing our pants. Ask me why. Sometimes, most of us use, not even sometimes, most of us, except for people that have acne prone skin like me, that we know that us and scented soap, we are not on the same caliber. Like, we don't have any business. Scented soap, if you have acne prone skin, you and scented soap, stay away. You can't tell me otherwise. Stay away from scented soaps. So 70% of ladies, 70% of ladies do not know, or they don't even care whenever they are bathing. They just take any soap and use it to wash their pants. If you are going to be washing your pants in the bathroom, the pants that you are going to wear in your yash, do not use soaps that have scent to wash your pants, and do not use strong soap. Some of you, is the soap that you're using to bleach, that you're using to wash your yash. That is why, in how many months do we have? We have 12 months. In the whole 12 months of the year, you treat infection for 10 months because you're using your bleaching soap to wash your pants. It means the bleaching soap you're applying on the pants, on that surface part that is going to be contacting your yash, you are using it, you're automatically applying that your bleaching soap inside your vagina, because by the time you wear it and enter the sun, and then whether your tight jeans, everything will roast, everything will marinate. I think you're hearing me. I think you're hearing. Now, this is a recommendation for you. Though this is very, very mild. Even babies can use this. The scent smells like a baby powder. It doesn't really have strong scent like that. You can use this. Just buy one of this and keep it. It will last you for more than a month. If it's just you, buy one and be using this to wash your pants. You will thank me later. Even you will feel healthy by the time you start to use mild soap to wash your pants. And after the pants dries up and you're wearing it, you will feel more comfort when you use mild soap to wash your pants. So that's that.